Alright, hey guys, I'm finally decluttering. I have not one, but 2 bags of clothes that I'm taking to the thrift shop here in Japan. So let's go. Alright guys, it's pouring down raining and we're going over here to Off House. Hard Off. We've actually never been to the 2nd floor. They moved. Oh, okay. That's gonna draw people there.
The church.
Oh my gosh, all these things closing. Oh. Daiso over there.
Become financially secure.
Okay. Before you know that I've been here before, this is our Japanese thrift store called Hard Off House, and so I brought in 2 bags of clothes. I believe they're gonna pay me for most of them, not much money at all. But also I'm gonna look at some of the clothes too for kids and see what else they have for the house and stuff like that. So keep watching. Don't take the toys off the rack, please. No, you can't play with that. That's not the play area. You can buy these toys. These are toys people brought in that they don't want anymore. So if you find something that's not too expensive, mommy will buy it for you. Okay? Oh wow, that's cool. How much is that? Can I see how much the Power Ranger wands are? Oh, 300 yen. That's not bad. You go like this. You go like this. Let me see. You go. Hiya, hiya, hiya. Yeah, it's a sword. Jordan already has one of these, but if you're looking for a dollhouse for those little calico critters, they have them here for only $10.80, and this one is $10. And they have another one back there as well. Alright, so we found some Converses, but they're, how much are they? 43 bucks. I don't know.
I don't remember seeing this on the bottom of the Converse.
Cute luggages. This one's really cute. But we didn't find anything at this store. These are nice. But 100 bucks because Regal. They also have furniture, and if you're looking to drop off your furniture someplace besides the side of the road or having a hard time selling it on Okinawa yard sale, you can bring it to one of these places. They're not going to give you much money for it because I just gave them 2 bags of clothes and I got $1.50. Like, that was laughable. But we're not going to talk about that. I wanted to get rid of it anyway, just get it out the house, and I did not want to sell it on Okinawa yard sale because I wasn't looking for a buck. I was looking for just a piece of decluttering. So as you can see right behind me, there's a bunch of couches here. So if you need a couch or you want to sell a couch, you can come to Alright, Jordan. Jordan got a doctor's kit. Jordan, let me see your doctor's kit. Open it. And Adam got a frisbee. Cool. That's what we found. Alright, bye. Alright guys, so after we finished our quick little shopping and they gave me $1 at the Hard Off House, Goodwill, thrift store in Japan, we went and got kids meals for the kids from a place called Sukiya. They give you apples, 2 toys, 2 TOYS. Oh man, he already heard me. We got some steak over rice for the kids. And then it came with 2 drinks as well. It has a soup in here. Like this kind of video, us talking about Japan and what we eat and stuff like that. So this is karage, which is just fried chicken pieces. Gyudon with cheese. This is gyudon, right? Oh, this is a pork with cheese and rice and onions with some hot sauce. So he got pork this time instead of beef. He usually gets beef. And they gave you a little Tabasco sauce, chopsticks, 2 forks. Have curry. So this is curry from Sukiya. And yeah, so good. Alright, we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed our quick little shop with me haul at the thrift store here in Japan, and the tips as well if you need to get rid of your couch, or if you're looking for cheap toys for kids or for your classroom or anything like that, you can just head on over there. And if you have any other questions, hit me up on Instagram. You guys know my comments are disabled per YouTube because this is a family channel, but if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up on Whitakers. My next video. Bye.
Lady.
You have a lady toy?
And he got a man.
You see his man toy. And Adam has a man toy. Those are cute.